This is my traveller notebook. I show you that. It's off Etsy, and I've been waiting now for 8 weeks for it. Isn't that lovely? Little card. It's got pockets, front and back, and I chose a particularly wide one. Oh bless, it even comes with notebooks. I didn't know that. Oh, look at that. They're stamped as well. I am actually going to take these out. I'm sure I'll use those at some point because they're lovely. So, that one at the top. And with some of these, I've put washi down the middle so as they last a bit longer. Hopefully that plan will work. There we go. All fits beautifully. Weighs a ton, but it is exactly what I wanted.